Meaning of happily.
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 Happily. Happily is an adverb that describes a feeling of joy or contentment. When we use happily to describe an action, it suggests that the action was enjoyable or pleasant for the person doing it. For example, she happily agreed to go on the trip implies she was happy to agree. The word can also suggest that a situation has ended positively or well. For instance, the team happily celebrated their victory suggests that the team was joyful about winning. Overall, happily connotes feelings of delight, satisfaction, and positivity.